Hey guys, how you doing? Top of the morning for you. I want to tell you that there are 10 different types of content creators that you should be watching to grow on your YouTube, to grow on your Twitch, to grow on any sort of social media platform that you can think of. Now, my question to you now is, do you know who these top 10 are? If you do, drop it down in the comments below. And if I stump you, well, you should be clicking on their stuff and watching how they go into detail about what they do day in and day out. That's what it takes to grow in this industry. And that's not wasting any more time. Let's just jump right into it. All right. Number one and number two, little two for one for you. We got Alpha Gaming. Two people here are Harris Heller and Sam Woodhull. These two guys go into great detail when it comes to editing your videos, just starting out on YouTube or Twitch, talking about equipment, top tier, all the way down to budgeting, wherever you fit when it comes to your financial flexibility, and they're just awesome. I have literally have nothing bad to say about them. They just do awesome work. You'll learn so much when it comes to these guys. It's truly insane. And I know it might be obvious, but you gotta put these two guys in this list. Like you just have to. Like there's a reason they both have 73, 72K subscribers. Obviously they're doing something right. So that's definitely number one and number two. All right. Number three, shouldn't come to much of a shock here, but gaming careers. Learn to live stream. This guy just goes absolutely ham when it comes to OBS, different types of plugins. He also does a lot of equipment stuff, which is super nice. But I personally, when I watch gaming careers, I'm looking at how he does his OBS, how to make it pop more, how to get those animations, how to separate game audio. The list goes on, and the guy is just insane. He's very knowledgeable. Um, Again, 337K subscribers. The guy's just an absolute beast. And he knows what he's talking about. And trust me when I say, when you watch this guy, you will go the next level when it comes to your production. That's my number three. Let's move on to number four. Number four, we got Andrew Wall. I really like this guy for a couple of reasons. He's got really good content for across the board, so that's not the issue there. But I go to this guy for a couple of reasons only. First one, I just got a Stream Deck. So he's very knowledgeable when it comes to that, how to program things, how to make my life a lot easier when it comes to programming my stream in OBS, and kind of some nice fun features like voice mod and stuff like that. But the one thing that I do really like about this guy is that he talks about his webcam and his camera and how to change the angle of attack to where it keeps your audience engaged, whether it's behind you or at a slight angle. He talks about lighting and how to just make the whole room pop. And he's just really good when it comes to that stuff, and I really enjoyed watching his stuff when it comes to that in particular. Um, but this guy's got 12.1K subscribers. That should grow. Like this guy's pretty knowledgeable and he knows what he's talking about. And he does fantastic work. I would recommend you checking him out. The other things that he does is he goes into great detail about OBS, TubeBuddy, how to grow just like everyone else that I've listed off when it comes to YouTube specifically. But yeah, this guy is just awesome. And this is number four. Number five, we got Michael. He is probably the most knowledgeable, if not close, to when it comes to doing OBS. He knows literally anything that you have a question on, whether it's about animations, transitions, instant replay, filters, whatever you can possibly think of, he has a video on it and he can teach you any sort of tutorial when it comes to you first starting out on OBS. This guy has 109K subscribers. Like, this guy is no joke. I absolutely love this guy. He's taught me so much, and I'm gonna continue to watch his stuff. He's just fantastic, and yes, he's at number 5, but all these guys could be at number 1. So there's no particular order on which these guys fall. Just want to point that out. Number 6, we got Justin Brown. I found this guy because I wanted to learn more about DaVinci Resolve. It's a free version, basically, alternative version of After Effects and Adobe. And he goes into great detail about how to use DaVinci. It's a great tutorial. I highly recommend you checking it out, especially if you're trying to make YouTube content or any type of videos or movies, even whatever the case may be. It's free to a certain extent. You get some features, but more than enough features to make quality content. And he goes deep into that. I really appreciated that video just because I didn't know what I was doing. I've always struggled when it comes to YouTube content, and he's really helped me kind of go to the next level and really understand how to use the software, how to make cuts, how to add effects. There's just so much that he does, and this guy's at 1.15 million subscribers. I haven't gone too deep into other of his content yet, just that in particular. But one video and I'm already hooked, so I recommend you checking him out as well. And he is at number 6. Number 7, we got Nick Nimmin. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. He is, I found him when it comes to YouTube content and just starting out and using TubeBuddy. And he's goes into great detail when it comes to um, making your videos more discoverable, how to make your videos look pro when it comes to like just starting out on YouTube. Um, and I really liked his videos. He's always very encouraging. He's always straight to the point, doesn't really beat around the bush. And he's just killing it, 821K subscribers. Like, this guy's no joke either. He's been doing it for a long time. And he started at the bottom just like everybody else, and he's learned a lot through his time of creating content. So I think this guy is absolutely nuts. Um, should he be at number 7? There's no in particular order. All these guys are really awesome. So this is number 7. Number 8, we got Patty Galloway. Uh, this guy goes into great detail when it comes to talking about other content creators' success and diving deep on each one of these people's stories and how they um, ran their business plan to reach success, to get discovered, and just absolutely blow up. I think personally this is super fascinating. You learn something new with every video. Um, and this guy's at 369K subscribers, and it's just absolutely just amazing content. Especially if you're trying to grow. This will help you kind of dive deeper into what areas you have to focus on and what areas you need to um, improve on to really be successful in this industry. This is number 8. Number 9, Stream Scheme. This guy talks about Twitch a lot, especially when it comes to just starting out, starting at the bottom with 0 viewers, and how to really just talk to yourself, right? And develop good content, and have a good stream that pops when it comes to OBS. He talks about how to interact with chat or lurkers. He talks about why people quit when it comes to streaming. He talks about so much in the great detail when it comes to Twitch. It's insane. He really loves small streamers, and that's kind of his area where he focuses on, and I absolutely love that. He's at 129K subscribers. He's absolutely killing it. And that number is just going to keep on skyrocketing. And this guy's at number 9. Number 10, last but not least, yourself. The Probably the most important one of all is watching yourself. After you stream or after you make a YouTube video, watch it, dissect it, investigate it, really rip it to shreds when it comes to your own content. Because you're going to learn the most when it comes to watching yourself and how other content creators make their videos or do their streams or how they talk. You're just going to learn so much when it comes to yourself. You are the biggest tool. And it's kind of hard to do that sometimes. I get it. It was hard for me, and I'm still working on it to this day. I'm not even close to being perfect, but at least I'm watching myself, and I know when I'm doing something wrong that I shouldn't be doing. When it comes to like me streaming, I had a really bad tendency of being just like a ghost, just like 90% of streamers who first start out. It's hard to talk to the camera when there's no active chatters, right? So I would strongly recommend watching yourself, whether you're on Twitch or YouTube or whatever platform you're on, and really dive deep into how you can go to the next level. And that is number 10. All right, guys. I hope you guys like that top 10 list I made for you guys. I really do hope that you guys check out those creators. They are fantastic, and they will certainly help you go to that next level, get you that growth, and get you that success that we all are hoping for, that we strike, right? Trust me when I say that they have incredible content, and they will help you with any questions that you do have. If you guys did like this, please leave a like. Please subscribe if you guys want to see more kind of this content. Please put in the comments below if you were close to my list, not even close, or maybe 50-50. Whatever the case may be. Also, could you please let me know how I did? That would mean a lot to me. Just to see if I needed to critique anything, what I need to improve on. That would be very much appreciated. And on that note, we are set. Thank you for coming. Catch you on the next one. Peace out.